ओम शांति। मुरली, अव्यक्त मुरली 1179। Determined thoughts given by Baba for the new year. Today, Bab Dada was very happy to hear the children's new enthusiasms and their new determined and beautiful thoughts to bring the new world closer. Each of your children has the special enthusiasm to make yourself complete and bring benefit to the whole world. Today, Bap Dada is congratulating you for the determination you have to bid farewell for all time to any weaknesses that still remain within you. Continue to keep the congratulations you receive for this farewell powerful by remaining aware of them every morning at Amrit Vela. This year, together with making your own form powerful, you also have to bring about a powerful form of service. Those who are responsible for destruction and progressing in their task at a great speed. They are creating an easy and refined method to liberate souls from the bondage of their body within a second. That is, they are creating an easy method to liberate souls from their physical sorrow, a method to save many souls. On the basis of what? On the basis of the authority of science. Similarly, are you Master Almighty authorities who are instruments for service, ready to liberate souls for birth after birth in 1 second from the bondage of Maya and from the many types of sorrow they are experiencing because of Maya, and to give these souls the blessing of peace and happiness for all time, so enabling them to reach their destination. Even now, the group responsible for destruction is ready. They are just waiting for the order. Is the group instrumental for creation ready to this extent? When the task of creation is completed, those responsible for destruction will receive their order. When the hand shows that time is up, the bell automatically rings. So too, in the unlimited clock, when creation is completed, the hand automatically shows that it is time for destruction to take place. So, are you ever ready for this completion? Om Shanti.